Hello guys, as you can see, I buy this motorcycle for 10,000 naira as a scrap, and I will show you how I'm gonna fix it to become very new. Let me show you that not in this mechanic business to look at your face. Just watch the video to end. This video gonna take me maybe days, maybe weeks, because I don't have money, but let's see how I'm gonna fix it to become new. As you can see, I'm done with this bike right now. I finished today, and this took me 1 week 5 days. That's 12 days, right? You know, I don't think you're gonna tell me this long, but I don't have money, and that's the problem. But I got the job done. I can't even tell. Just like new, no difference, right? And who on earth we price this motorcycle for 50,000? I spent 18,700 on it. All I spent is 18,700. How much is that? I don't know, 30k. Just let me just say, if I say I spent all to this is all of 30,000 naira. I got this for 30,000. And who on earth we price this motorcycle for 50k, for 50,000? I don't think so. Even 80, this motorcycle is worth more than 80,000.